Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make coffee in Project Zomboid. First, you need the ingredients and container. Loot a jar of coffee from kitchens or stores, and find an empty mug. These are common in houses and cupboards. You also need water from a sink, tub, and etc. in the mug before coffee can be made. Next, fill your mug with water. Stand by a clean water source like a sink or tub. Right-click the water source and select Fill Empty Mug. Now you have a mug of water in your inventory. Put the coffee and filled mug in your inventory. Right-click the mug of water and choose Create Beverage, then add coffee. This mixes coffee into the water to make an uncooked coffee drink. You can optionally add sugar or tea for extra effects by right-clicking the mug again and selecting Beverage, then add sugar or tea. To heat the coffee, place the mug on a heat source's inventory like a stove, oven, coffee machine, or campfire. It will cook and become a hot cup of coffee, which gives better fatigue and mood bonuses than uncooked. Once it's heated, right-click the coffee mug and select Drink to enjoy your freshly brewed coffee. Drinking coffee reduces fatigue and gives a small boost, helping you stay alert longer in the apocalypse. And that's how you make coffee in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.